phone and not working. What not up to now? What not up to? Guys, come in, top up the live. Glad it worked. No, I know it didn't work out because it happened yesterday with the girl. Remember the girl we did on the live yesterday? So remember me and I did on the live and somebody sent me a request, so I know to that disconnect that way there. But I just don't know if you do it otherwise. Sweet as hell. I make some juice, some melon juice. I'm gonna plug in this. Our cutie gone. No, for this to make on see that one, you know. Put this forward so. Jeremiah, I don't know what I ask now. And this is a seedless grape. And I got melon alone, I have melon and lime. You see people I use mint, but I have mint in my garden, but I don't want no mint. Oh, you talk about the juicer, you talk about? No man, this is a little cheap juicer pan TikTok shop. You see, Tammy said, yeah, she would need to come help me. Tammy said, come stay with me. If I never lie, I could do the double thing we did yesterday. But I'll be fuck free now. Warm tea. Join the live and come join the girl. cook today. Cook already. I love food. I drink juice. I drink today. No, I do not cook food today. I drink today. Jeremiah, there, tell him. I had a drinking today. No food today. Somebody come keep me company, please. And thank you. I can't chat too much because I'm at work. Alright, big up yourself, no problem. Guys, I'm on YouTube too, so if you want to see me I talk, and to myself me I talk too. But blessings. Nobody now come keep me company. You say about anything else, you know how much request me that I get already? Alright. For this slap, this whole another one come up though. I want to know what to do now. I'm not sure it's a bigger job. This not gonna work. Ah, you can't reach. Guys, remember I'm talking with live today. But just start juicing, you know, so sure, the person on the app, you can't ask. I don't know what I mean if you can't cold press the rind. I don't know. Asking a different term. Maybe we can't answer you. But just start juicing maybe like a month or 6 weeks. Somewhere there.
How did you make it stop echoing?
I don't know. It's not echo now? I don't know.
No, I was trying to tell you that yesterday.
You say it wasn't, right?
Yeah, it wasn't yesterday neither.
I saw it and I answered. Man say man. I don't know.
Let's not talk it up.
I bet Fab one with you. Call me.
Wait, have you ever tried watermelon with fresh lime?
Yeah, I remember we talked about it the last time.
Oh, it was you who told me about it. Look at me trying to spread the word.
Yeah.
I had bought some watermelon. Oh my gosh. I said, I woke up the next day with heartburn. I ate so much.
Really? Oh, you had a lot.
Yeah, I should have drunk more water while I was eating it.
Okay. Okay. I didn't know you could get heartburn from watermelon.
But it wasn't just that. I also had a pickle sausage and I'm just telling half of the story, of course.
Okay. Oh, all the nutrients in the rind. The name what? I try making beetroot and watermelon and a lime. The best is well, I have beetroot, so I forgot to try that. I do have beetroot.
No, it was not from the melon gel. It was from the lime.
Huh?
You take a lime and you squeeze the juice on the watermelon, and that's what was giving the heartburn.
Oh. Okay. Oh. Repeat that. Repeat what you just said.
The guy said that heartburn from melon is insane, and I was telling him it wasn't the melon, it was the lime.
Okay. But now I have no kiwi. The only thing I have right now, I have beetroot. But I have no kiwi. I made some kiwi juice with it, so an apple. Huh?
Have you ever tried the green apple? And
yeah, I did it last week. I posted. You're not watching my content, girls? You're watching my content? I made that last week. Yeah, you hear me? Because I'm turning on the juice up. Because when the start in your ear clearly. It's not used.
So you don't need so much rind. You know, back in the days, they say when you ate the rind, it give you a bellyache.
Never know that.
Yeah, watermelon rind.
I don't know. Yeah, that's true. That's what I said. That's what they used to say. Not only bellyache, them say it's gonna run your belly. You got diarrhea. But no, they don't say good for man, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on. So all these years, me I gotta show the white part. No, they don't say good for man.
You know what's good juice? Watermelon and cucumber.
Yeah, that's good. Because the cooking man don't really have no taste. Anyway, man, start this again. The person who said beetroot, only use one beetroot. Yeah, guys, remember to support the live, please. That's how I'm gonna like come live on. You know, I'm gonna do live and make the food more time because the people that support the live, they can't bother with that. And they get their cups. And they don't seven days already.
If you go to her page, she has it up there.
Yeah, it's in my bio and I also pin it. It's also pinned. The person who mentioned about the beetroot, when I see them answer, how much beetroot? Me I put just one in.
I was once told watermelon is not supposed to mix with no other fruit. I'm not sure where that came
So all line one there.
Oh, she said two beetroot. Two.
Okay. Even if it's big?
Even if it's big.
I bet it's a big one and a small one. It's alright.
Well, why don't you use the two that's the same size?
None of them are the same size.
Well, at least similar. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Somebody keeps saying, everybody keeps saying two.
Oh, a lot of you say too? I can't hear live. Come in and sit up and go on over here.
Somebody's saying only one, but majority rules, 5 people said 2. So just put a little one in it. What is it?
I use a big one. Big, too big, you know.
Why not put 2? What did it do for you?
Good for a lot of things. Come people, don't do better. I'm not going to stop confusing the two. The thing with beetroot in it, it's thing there.
I said put 2. Because the majority of everybody said put 2.
Everybody said 2?
Yeah, it's only one person that said 1. And that's not about 5 or 6 people. Yeah, that one person put 2.
Why don't you really start sticking at dusty?
Is there such thing as being over healthy? Gosh, that's greatly appreciated. Okay, I feel like somebody else said something earlier, but I didn't catch it. I'm sorry. Thank you as well. All gifts are appreciated.
Yeah, that's the brand. But the reason why I'm sending from my page to buy it is because I want the commission. I want to sell to Shangwan, so that's why I'm have to cussing out more time.
You tell them they won't buy it through you.
Huh?
If you tell them they won't buy it through your link.
Whether you tell them or not, that's what they steal. Selfish. Them things they get.
Page. Does the pulp come out dry? Josh wants to know. Is that the
Alright, yeah, the thing is, you see when I try for it, because when I do this, I try to strain it. And when I try for meaning put it through one of them mesh bag there, nothing come out. So that's why I stop. Because it fairly dry.
You should put ginger, but not too much.
I don't normally put ginger in there. I don't normally use ginger. I don't know. What that person just say yes about? What the person say yes about? It's okay with the line.
Okay.
Yeah, I like the line too. But never ever put ginger in it yet, so I don't know. Not that it can't use. Oh, with the lemon. We have lemon too, but I like my always use. I taste it if anything put one lemon in the book. Oh, okay. No ginger, but beet and lime.
Big Lou said no ginger, but beetroot and lime. So lemon and lime, lemon and lime is almost the same concept. So if she don't use lemon, she can use also lime. So we'll go with that concept, everybody. If she don't want to use the ginger. Chanel said it's perfect now.
Yeah.
It's my hood Siri voice. That is hilarious.
Huh?
She can use both, but I feel like there's two similar items. Like one is more zesty than the other one.
I'm a lime girl.
Use both.
Huh?
Big Lucy.
That taste it. If anything, we put another one in there. We put another lemon in there.
I always use both.
Huh?
Miss Emerson says he always uses both lemon and lime.
Okay.
But you know what? Where it's at right now, I feel like if you add a little bit of lemon or lime, you can see if you want to put it into the whole thing.
May I put it?
Like in your cup, though, not in your whole thing.
May I put a lemon in there?
A little stronger. Lemon, lime, and ginger. We already discussed
Ginger too?
Kick ginger out if we put the lemon or the lime.
But now I lie, the juice nice. Hey, one thing with me, by tomorrow, no look, me drink. But I think we can't go up on that when it come out to juice. Because we drink a whole jug of juice. Literally.
Well, yeah, I feel like the way you made it right now, if you took a cup a piece and added the different things to it, instead of making your whole thing one way.
Oh.
So you can see what you like. If you want to add
me
one
already
with
like
lime,
this.
if you like it. One with ginger, see if you like it. So then you want to do a whole thing.
What I can do next time I do it with ginger. Like for now, this is nice. I like this. So, but now I go. Unless me I go do a piece of ginger and just put a little bit in a one something.
Everybody, please tap up the screen, please. Because if we want her to make more content like this, we have to be supportive. Watermelon, beetroot, and what else?
Lime and lemon. That's it.
Okay, yeah, so that's basically, that is watermelon. And the beetroot that they join their vegetables. Thank you for stopping by. hearts on the screen. Let me tap the screen myself to see if the hearts are working. Okay. That just means...
Guys, support the live, please. Support the live. I appreciate that much. Support the live, guys. Taps are free, comments are free, shares are free. And gifts are even better. Alright, that's a the lemon. May I try some with little ginger and see how that go?
Yeah, that's how I said, like, with the cup. Just try a little bit and see if you like it.
Yeah.
Instead of, like, spoiling the whole thing if you don't like it.
Why? We drink coffee well like this, just like this. Juice. I'm put a little piece of ginger. A little piece.
Please, everybody support the live. We need 10K to even get FYP exposure. Please tap the screen.
Let's use this. I will put ginger this, you know. Ginger, me say. Yeah, make sure it tastes good. It will. Let's see. Huh? What you said?
They said after you try the different ones, they want to know
Which one though? Tastes better?
Yeah, which one do you like the most?
Okay. I'm gonna tell you.
If you go on her bio,
I'm gonna use a little bit.
you can see the link for the juicer. Jesus, please. That juice they are rich.
Ooh.
If any sicknesses in your body is gonna come out, then I like. Let me see. Let me see. Do it still got the lime in it?
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm Jamaican. I'm not Jamaican all the time. Sometimes I'm Jamaican.
I don't know. If you like ginger, you like this.
I like pineapple and ginger.
Yeah. Backyard. I like this, but I don't know.
That's why I said don't put all that stuff into your big thing because you might not like it. Just do a little bit. Oh Lord!
I like the melon and the lemon more and the lime more than with the ginger, but it's okay. I think if you like ginger, this would be good.
Ginger and beetroot.
I think the ginger kind of changed the whole vibes. Maybe
Can you come up, M. Weaver? Because M. Weaver is a big natural juicer. This is one of my followers.
Okay, me not gonna see on mine. Oh, that's how I go. What name?
You ain't cook out the things for me to bring people up. I just could do so much.
Repeat that.
Open up some of the things for me.
Oh, I'm gonna do that.
Oh, Jesus.
Girl. Me don't know what you're talking about right now. I'm confused.
go to moderator, you have to open.
What a person name?
So I could do certain stuff.
What a person name?
M Weaver, edit and
Alright,
graphic
somebody else.
design.
Let me see if that person. Alright, if we go to moderator, but me not see nothing now. Alright, hold on, let me see. Moderator.
You see if you scroll down, like a lot of stuff not turned on.
So I go in settings, right? Moderator, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, it says manage. Okay. But everything turn on. The only thing don't turn on a live recording, manage guests. Oh, I think that's the one.
To the bottom.
Pin custom perks, product management, real time data. I don't even know what some of them say. Alright, I just turn on all of them. I don't know. Okay.
Because M Weaver is a big juicer. He's like very, very big on juice.
Alright, somebody up.
Oh, there we go. Now I got it. Okay. Hi, Corey.
Hey, what's going on?
How you doing?
I'm Diana. What you know? Doing the share, doing things here. What up? Beet juice that?
Yeah,
beet juice, watermelon,
lemon, lime, and ginger. Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. I'm gonna try that. Come on, watermelon. I'm gonna have some beets and now I'm gonna try that idea for real.
Anyway, may I put the rest of ginger in the juice? Cause as me say, it's not bad. I just think it's nicer.
I think when it's cold, Teresa.
Huh?
When it's cold, it's gonna be. You know what? You ought to put it in the freezer for a little bit, and then take it out with some slush.
Watermelon and ginger. John was star.
Huh?
And Drew said dangerous, huh?
Yeah.
Man, I pray that you but not alive for real. And Drew said so dangerous.
Why?
Beetroot, watermelon, ginger, and it's a lime, right?
Yeah, lime, lemon.
Yeah, that juice there. That juice is bad for real. A couple weeks ago, we made watermelon and savory. And the savory kind of answered it was pretty good. Very tough.
But for add more again to it. But add lime and lemon to it already. Did you put ginger and beets? Yes, I did.
Top of lemon or lime juice to it.
So
Yeah,
you
that's
just.
what we already discussed.
I think he's saying to top it off, but we add that already. We can add a little more kind not kill it. I had another lime right here, so I just put it in it.
Perfect juice.
Huh? Don't have
Perfect
no
juice, yo.
anymore then. Well, it done I got add already. Repeat what you said, Corey.
No, I say I have a perfect juicer.
Uh-oh. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, juicer. Yeah.
One more can change it. Strong juice, you drink cream. Then you know somebody strong. We don't understand it. No, I know you Corey, somebody type that, so yeah, ask him to see everybody strong.
We can sell that like bush tea.
It's like it didn't make praise say boy you make your one beaten. If you pray with me I say differently still.
You're good man. Firm, yeah. Strong. Not even strong, you know, strong.
What I do say me I'm firm.
Corey.
Yeah, firm.
We can sell that juice like bush tea, can't we?
Bush tea?
Yeah, bush. Are you ready?
We're gonna cool this down now.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Bush tea.
Like bush.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
That is it.
Nice.
But no, but I bet you when you put it in the freezer and let it get a little slush, just a little bit, and take away.
So I know
So
slush.
you look shine like one stallion. You know stallion run out a racetrack out and shine.
Yeah, I'm gonna joke about my food, I'm gonna joke about my drinks. Period.
Respect for that one.
But really, I'm out. even when I eat up most of the time, I'm money my waste because I don't like food on road. Cook my food, I'm going to juice.
My brother was still the same way. Them man don't eat out no time at all.
Rarely.
Yeah.
Bush.
I'm the same way, Teresa. Like when I go out on the road, like I always try to get home to eat.
Yeah, me too. My daughter always complain. My daughter always say, "Man, why every time you go road, you don't eat and come back a ball for hungry?" Sorry.
And then I'm money right to money man car. If them money I make all of juice if your brother you can't pop down.
You're mad. I said you talk about yesterday, we don't want to pop down, man. Mad?
Pop down man, a whole night till the morning.
Corner easy.
Calm down.
You can't imagine how your blood flow, your blood kick. Like when pipe bust at Jamaica and water spray. So blood flow. Eh? No star.
Oh God. Guys, we're not top the live.
I don't know what's the issue.
Why am I them over here every day? Them stress me out. The only time them hype over here when we chat. You should have done over here yesterday. Masama. Eh?
If we start fuckery, like if I start cursing and talking now, we gonna get some taps and like and
I'm not cursing them one ear. Sex and man and body and punish. That they love. Ear slackness. Yeah, and all kind of sickness. We need to stop it. Calvin a laugh. We need to stop it for you. I never say I said that people love slackness, so. Why? What's the name of the mix? Beet, watermelon, ginger, lime, and lemon.
I feel like I'm gonna get a juice there.
Wait.
You don't get a name already, you don't say firm.
Oh. Teresa, put the mixer in your shopping thing.
It's there.
Put the mixer in there.
It's there.
No, when I'm clicking it, it's not there.
I'm telling you it's there. Even this morning somebody asked me, I'm going to send them, I'm going to look.
It's at the bottom. When I click it, it say no product yet.
Huh? Oh, right. Oh, you're talking on the... Oh! Okay, this is a whole different thing. Right, girl, I don't know nothing, you know?
Jesus, baby.
Oh, I think you mean in a storefront. And I'm a showcase. 30-day commission. Got it.
Yeah,
okay. Poor me.
Oh, I could have did it myself, I think.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, that juice there.
There you go, right there. Everybody want to know about the juicer. There it is, right there.
Let me know if I do that. Yeah.
We should have been had that up, Teresa.
Cause no, nothing not going. Nobody not care about this.
Look at them flying over there.
But I always a juice. Every Monday I normally juice, but I didn't do it because I had some drinks from last week. So every Monday I normally juice. But I normally come live. But can't start doing it on live. One user. Yeah.
This juicer is amazing. If you can, please purchase it. And right now there's an extra 20% off if you have not seen that as well.
It's good for you. It's good because, alright, so I just buy it, but it kind of hesitant. But when we use it now, and then now the trash, I try to strain to see if I could get more juice, and there was none, and I'm like, okay, this is good enough. Because that was my problem. Yeah. I wonder if it leave back juice.
The mixer is pinned, baby. Right there on the screen, the mixer is pinned.
Look, you see? No juice in there. Dry. So I put them there, put the trash for my plant them. Because I plant the food too. I eat when I grow. Yeah. Yeah.
Between you and some other content creators, Because you have the following already. You just got to get them active.
Yeah.
Once you get active and you start.
Alright, what the problem? What may I try to understand? Because some people say once you start link product to your page, it drives your content to TikTok shop, and then you won't be getting the views and stuff for your original things that you post.
I'm show you,
and me not depend
I'm
that.
not sure how early you're up in the morning, but I'm gonna share with you a TikTok teacher.
Okay.
But she usually starts like very early in the morning, and then you can ask her any type of question like that, and she's able to tell you.
Okay.
Yeah, like that's a good question for her, because I go over there and ask questions all the time.
Okay.
And I want to know stuff, because I was wondering, like, why us in the U.S. can't put more than one gift. She said that was something they do in other countries, not in the U.S. You notice we're only able to put one gift.
Okay.
Have you ever been on somebody live and they put like 3 gifts at one time?
Oh yeah, when you click, even if somebody send it 3 times, it only register one.
No,
That's what you mean?
For instance, I don't know what your live goal is right now, but you can only put that one goal. Like if your live goal is roses, you can only put those 10 roses. You go to somebody else live in the UK or something, they can put 10 roses, 2 horses, or 2.
Oh, same mean. When I have up the live goal. Well, when I
they
say next.
put multiple things. I don't know why they're segregating America like that, but like Americans, we can't do that. I don't know. I was wondering why I thought it was a glitch on my end. Okay. But once I talked to her, she was like, no, we can't do that. But I'll share it in the morning, because she usually starts very, very early. Alright. By the time you get
like what time? Like what time?
She starts early, like I want to say like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning.
Oh.
Like, but no, she goes until like about 11. Okay. So I'll just share it to you, and whenever you get to it, you just click in and ask her. Yeah. Any question you have, ask her. Yeah. Right, with being a content creator, because you already have the people. It's just like you just. The thing is, sometimes they do ask in the comments, and then we'll just tell them, or sometimes pin it. But sometimes people, because a lot of Jamaican they on my page, and sometimes when they look for the orange card, they can't find it. It's not. It's like it's not accessible to them. So only persons in the U.S. Because it didn't populate to you when it messed with that moderator thing. And when you mess with the moderator thing, it popped up for me. I don't know if it popped up for everybody else, but it popped up for me, and I could see it, and then it even allowed me to add a gift, like to add the product. So it may just be something like that. But if anytime you're doing something like that, if I can see it, if I can help, I'll just automatically add in, and we'll just start promoting from there. But you get money every time, like, they buy off your page. Yeah, I know. Hasn't sent gift in a while. Bruh, TikTok says somebody hasn't sent gift in a while. I don't know who TikTok I throw them out on. Okay.
You sell juice? You sell juice?
You want to buy some, Corey?
I'm going to stay where I'm at and buy some juice somewhere.
We'll figure out how to get it there. As of right now, we don't.
Sometimes you get too much, you can put preservatives in the night. So now,
no, never natural.
Where you located?
I'm in Chicago.
Oh, you in the States. So what you talking about? That's the open air run. Don't get in a hard place in a tight space right now. We need to make that just and then get to see you by the morning.
100% tonight.
What kind you want? This one?
Eh?
You want this one?
Liquid firm.
How much you want? 16 ounces or 24 or a pint or a gallon? You want them?
Juice and the mobile stampede.
Okay, it's not a juice come. When the juice comes, it's frozen. So it's up to you to thaw it out. Once you thaw it out, it has a shelf life of how long we say, let's say,
You said out, me out.
no, 7 days. It has to be kept cold. It has to stay on ice. So how much is a gallon?
Why you want to put me on the spot now? No, sir. Hey, me not cut up to be a seller, you know what I'm saying? even sometimes, like somebody asks me to do something, most of the times.
You hear me? I'm not playing with nobody.
Well, I know, you see, most of the time, I tell people my price. And when I done, I say shit, you know, say, me short myself. Sometimes I ask other people and they say something, like somebody asks say, how much you pan an oxtail, I'm going to give them a price. And when me ask somebody, they might say, I want to what that? And I'm like, fuck, but I already tell the people them that already. So we just do it, because it's true, you love the kitchen, you just do it, and just do say, yo.
No, I am a businesswoman at all times.
Lord of God. But yeah, several times that happened to me.
No, I'm a businesswoman at all times of the day.
Mm-hmm.
I do numbers back and forward.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Of course.
Numbers, girl.
I went to school for accounting. I do numbers back and forward.
Excellent.
So, this jug of juice is fresh. You can get it expedited to you if there is a cost for expedition. But the jug of the gallon.
Look how good it is. You see this have hole on the bottom, right?
15.
You see that? Not even a touch of juice. Now may I say, to show you how good it is, this have hole under the bottom. And look at this.
And you know what? If you at a farm,
Hey, so long it's still right here, so?
Special hog or something.
Look like you make cake.
Huh?
Look like you make one cake, innit?
Yeah, somebody told me to do that the last time I make carrot and stuff. Them stuff use the carrot and make cake.
Like you make cake, right? Make some butt dumpling too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I don't know what it is, but them say can make cake. Yeah. I like the juice, I never trust it at first, but when we use it, I realize it's good. Come I try to put it through my strainer. Through this. And when we squeeze it, dry. I'm like, okay, this is good.
Well, that's like the what do you call it?
No, I strainer.
That mix.
Strainer. It have a name, but I don't even remember. This is another cheesecloth, you know. You have one named cheesecloth.
Yeah, cheesecloth.
Alright, but this is our mesh. I have
That's what I
cheese.
made on Sunday. I was so proud of myself.
I have cheesecloth,
I
so
don't know why
I
I talked out of myself with making it though, but I did. I always did. It'll be the simplest things when you're looking to a doctor and that you honestly know how to cook. I made rice and beans.
When Sunday?
That's your first time again?
No, that's my second one, but you know what it is? Because when I cook normal rice, like rice, chicken and rice.
So the cheesecloth, soul snatcher.
Oh, cheesecloth.
Yeah, that one is different. But I like the mesh because I don't know something about this one I don't like.
The only thing I was worried about Corey was overcooking the beans.
Oh, okay.
Right? Because you gotta time your beans.
Where do you pressure it?
Cooking rice.
Or you cook it on the stove top?
On the stove top.
Well, soak it overnight.
It came out nice.
Okay.
I mean, I easy to cook like one nowadays.
Let's see. It came out nice.
But even if it overcooked, nothing I gonna do it. That's a thing I got happen if you overcook it.
Rice and beans take talent. Because I didn't taste rice and beans before. They ain't got no flavor.
So one way you put in a rice pot.
scallion. You know what? I couldn't find Scotch bonnet, so I used habanero.
Yeah, you can use habanero. It's good.
Coconut milk. I use all-purpose season, pepper.
You know, you can't get me put all-purpose in my rice and peas.
What?
I don't like it.
What?
I don't like powder seasoning in my rice and peas.
Yeah, I don't like it, yeah.
What?
Because I just don't like it. I'm not used to cooking it that way, and I've tried it.
I put it while the beans was cooking.
Alright, it's me.
Some people use lime juice in their rice and peas. Some people put lime juice in it. Yeah?
Alright, it's me. I try things.
Rice and peas and squeeze lime in it, yeah. I never asked them why, but I said that a couple times.
Well, what sense that me kind of like a sitting raw where I try to cut some farmer? Why?
I don't know. I said that Jamaica. Yeah, people squeeze lime juice in their rice.
Maybe if me this season already would I try, because I don't mind trying things, you know, and determine if I like it or not. But me try the powder season, I don't like it.
I don't know if that puts somebody
The only time you can use lime is if you're supposed to salt the pot, because you know the lime can help balance out the taste, right? And vinegar.
Oh, see? Okay.
So, but you know, like,
So,
yeah. Where did I say so, Snatcher?
let me think. It was something about the rice and peas.
Oh, the powder season?
Yeah, what do you mean powder season?
All-purpose season.
But not all purpose like that. It was chicken bouillon.
They use coconut
That's
powder.
the powder season.
Coconut milk.
I mean, I like coconut powder, you know.
I didn't like coconut. I don't really like even coconut, and I love the coconut milk because it was really mild. I'm not a real strong coconut flavor person.
And when you have the rice and peas too, enough people don't know this. Don't put a lot of coconut milk in the rice and peas, because it helps make it soggy also. And for me, this is just my preference. I boil the coconut with the peas. I don't put it in after, because I don't think the coconut cook enough when you put it after.
So that's what I did. I boiled down the peas, but see, it was enough because I let the peas boil down and then I added coconut milk, so it was enough liquid.
No, but you can't use water.
It dried out pretty good.
You can't use water.
It look red.
Yeah, and then I used basmati rice.
Listen, everybody cook different. Alright, you see the only, me too. Basmati rice, my rice and peas, no. Basmati rice is when you cannot cook rice and peas or season rice good and it go soft.
No, but I don't like jasmine rice.
Yeah, but you can use regular rice. Alright, this is not for you, because you're not really Jamaican.
Yeah, okay. Well, school me, because I'm good with regular rice. Regular rice we cook down.
Yeah, but if you use too much coconut milk, alright, see if you use too much coconut milk, that's gonna make your rice mucky, plaka, as we would call it, so soft or saggy. So you have to have the right amount of coconut milk for the peas.
I think I did it perfect then because it was, and then I put
Your rice now go soft because you use basmati rice.
chili.
Yeah, you use basmati rice, so there's no way your food will spoil. So if you make season,
with the regular rice.
right, you have a problem if you use too much coconut milk. If you use too much peas and coconut milk, you have a problem.
You ever use coconut bar?
I don't like that
Like
either.
a coconut paste.
I don't like it. Alright, you see me, natural coconut me love, but guess what? Most of the time I buy coconut up here, them spoil. So what I do is switch to like the can. If I can't get some good coconut, I'll use the can. But I'm not going to use the powder and I'm not going to use the bar. Reason being, I've tried them before and I don't get a good flavor to the pot. So that is just my opinion. But if you use it and you're okay with the taste, that's good.
But you know, I'm closer to the Jamaica, so you know I probably can get a good coconut.
Mm-hmm. But if you can get a good coconut, nice. And you can use a juicer for your coconut if you don't want great tight.
To make my own coconut milk.
Right. Because when we do, you see once coconut enough, if we can get coconut now and them good, but just buy a portion and just juice it. And just set it in the fridge. Freeze them. But when we can't get no coconut now, we would use a canned coconut. The amount of coconut has nothing to do with the rice off. You can't tell me that. You can't tell me that. This is not a question. This is what I know. If you use a lot of coconut, listen, I guarantee you, I can bet you this and win this. This is not something I ask, because this is something I've been doing years. And I'm not a chef neither, so I don't want to think say I'm not a chef. But if you use too much coconut milk, the rice are going soft and soggy. You have to know the right proportion.
Teresa, you gonna cook at my wedding?
Huh?
You gonna cook at my wedding?
When you get married.
I'm get married twice. I'm get married just once in Jamaica.
I'm married 2 times.
Go down anyway.
Yeah, I'm married 2 times the same one.
Yeah, why not?
Why not? You know somebody married every year.
One time in America, one time in America, one time in Jamaica.
So you have 2 married license?
Don't try me.
Lady Anna, I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm not gonna fuss. I don't care if you have coconut milk, even on top of the stove. I know this. If I use too much coconut milk in my food, it's soft.
I already got one bad chef, but I need another one.
What if I can our milk powder? Eh?
I need you
rice and peas are something I'm gonna spoil. I don't really spoil rice and peas. Back then, we used to spoil it because we never know the proportion and we used to put whole heap of coconut milk because we think that's gonna make it taste better. And it always spoil. And once I understand it now, me not spoil rice and peas. You see white rice pan a whole, me really spoil them stuff. Me not spoil them food there because I know.
But when you learn to cook rice, man, you spoil it, but once you get it in a spoil.
Look on my rice, look on my page. People ever ask me how I cook my rice or what I do with the rice or what. And it's just that, I just know the amount of coconut I put in my rice and peas. But I'm not gonna argue, if you're successful with using 1 liter coconut milk, that's okay too, honey. And if you put too much peas also, that can help your rice to be soggy also. If you use too much peas. So too much peas can cause it, too much coconut milk can cause it. For the proportion where you cook. Once you know the amount where you cook, that's where you know. Because sometimes too, when we cook too much peas, we just take out some because we can know, you know. Once we feel the peas water and it heavy, we know so the rice are go thin there. It milky. If it's too milky, we know the rice are go soft.
You know what I want you to do? You probably already got it on your page.
What one, Tina?
Brown stew chicken tutorial.
Huh?
A brown stew chicken tutorial. Without
sugar. Oh, without the brownie?
Sugar.
Girl, why I gotta taste spoil my food? Alright, I'll probably do something tomorrow. What am I planning to do tomorrow?
Because I have green banana, and I can make some dumpling, and then but I don't want no rice, so I want green.
Alright, I'll make one. I'm not gonna promise it tomorrow. Cause I don't remember. I'm gonna know say Thursday we're gonna light the grill. So more likely like maybe weekend or next week I make it without the sugar.
But I think what is it? Is it regular sugar?
Brown sugar. You need to learn to do the sugar because it's very nice that way. You can use white sugar too, but it's harder for you.
You have to burn it.
Yeah.
White sugar?
Yeah, you can. I'm gonna do it to the white sugar one time and show you.
Do that one.
You just have to use more, and it you have to pay attention, but it gonna get brown also.
Yeah, you have to caramelize it.
Yeah. Probably treat white and thinking now it can work.
Because I have white sugar.
White can do it too. All you do, just turn on your stove. Turn on your stove. Use a little oil. When the oil hot, you pour the sugar in there. Use like a spoonful of sugar and
and caramelize.
Right. Keep it low. Don't make it burn. Alright, I'm gonna tell you the trick. Don't make it get too dark. If it get too dark, it'll go bitter. So once it reach a nice brown caramel color, you pour it in. Something like my cover there, so. Once it reach a color here, you pour it in.
Hush, Giants. I'm so sick of him, Teresa.
Ooh.
Guns.
You don't hear me, I'm Joe.
I'm so sick of his behind. That's my friend. I'm sick of him.
One ask her something. Okay. You must say I tell us we come to make it come up, but that
Don't
happen.
ask nobody nothing. Let Monty cook you some food.
Yeah, so as I said, once I get the color, then you pour in all of your chicken. And you keep stirring it till all of the chicken them coats in the thing before you add no water to it.
Like a good brown in there.
Right.
Like
so once it's very easy.
What is it called? A good I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
So just keep stirring. You can keep it on low. You can cover the pot.
There.
Keep it on low.
That's
Keep
the word.
stirring it.
Here.
Sir, but remember, say the sugar you try to get for coat all of the chicken. So, you just want to saute it until all of the chicken them reach a nice color. Then when you add the first set of water, so maybe you can put a water like after the first 10-15 minutes. Don't put water in at the same time.
Let it build its own water.
Right, make it kind of sweat. That's why you have to keep it on low. When you get a nice color now, then you can add a little water. Don't put too much water at the first time. So they put the first water, you put a little bit. Stir it up nicely, cover it. When you check on it again, then you can add more water if you choose. If you say one water.
So what about if I add browning and marinate the chicken in browning and like a little season?
Yeah. Remember me use blend season, so that's why you don't really see the season with your eye when time we do the first set. So we use green season, so that is why you don't really see the season, but you can just cut up your season and pan it.
Listen, sister. I finally got my green season. Let's go.
Right. So you season with the green season, and then you put your vegetable when it's close to the end. But the brown sugar make the chicken nicer, trust me.
But last time I felt like I put brown sugar, ketchup, right?
Maybe I go fight this because I don't like ketchup.
You don't like the ketchup in it?
Me not like ketchup. Me not like ketchup, none at all. But if you like ketchup, stew chicken with ketchup, you're going to enjoy it. So you see, the whole of that's a preference. Me don't like ketchup in practically nothing.
It's a lot of tutorials I want to see you do because you know the authentic. I like to learn from you more than anybody else. And then it's fried chicken. The chicken is almost red. It tastes like it's brown in hot sauce. When you fry it, it's red.
Who you talking, me?
You.
Oh, it's because of the egg powder. If two things can cause the color, the egg powder or you know that Goya Sazon?
No, that ain't it. It gotta be the egg powder.
Yeah, but you tell us the Sazon can do it too, cause I do tutorial on my page, cause some people can't get the egg powder, so I do it without it and show them say I can develop the same color without the egg powder.
Yeah, but I cook with sazon already, so I know that's not it. No, it gotta be the egg powder.
You can't get to the Sazon one. This is the Sazon with a lot of paprika.
And that doesn't make it taste like hot sauce a little bit.
Alright, if you use hot sauce, the chicken will get black.
Okay.
When we say black, you see as you put it in the oil, it's going to just start get dark. So for me, I don't use certain things on my chicken because I want the color to stay pretty. So like even for me, I don't use like onion powder, certain dark color season. I don't use them on my fried chicken because I know once we put them hot sauce, I know once you put them something upon it, once you drop it in the aisle, quick time it change color. And then remember, even though it change color, it don't fry, so you have to leave it in there longer. So that's how I allow the chicken to get dark. You're not gonna have that pretty color.
I wonder what this guy used. I'm gonna go to him. Probably not this week, but next week. So when I go to him, I'm gonna send you the pictures so you can see what I'm seeing. So you can see what in the world. It tastes good.
Yeah, some people have them own tricks. Cause if me want it spicy, what I would do is just cut couple Scotch bonnet pepper and just season it with the Scotch bonnet pepper. If I want that spice, but once you put the hot pepper sauce, it's gonna change the color.
Yeah, it's something because it looks nice, but it's like reddish.
Oh, okay. Maybe an egg powder. I don't know.
I'm gonna show you.
But for me, use the egg powder because I love the color, and we can do it with all the egg powder also and get the color.
It gotta be the egg powder.
Maybe, because if you put more, you get redder. But you have to be careful with egg powder because it will make the chicken bitter. Just like brown sugar, you have to be careful. Even with brown sugar, it's not the amount of sugar we use, it's how long you leave it for burn will cause it for bitter, but you have to know.
I might go Friday. And go check it. Yeah. That's like the staple that the guy sells, like the fried chicken. It's good though.
My fried chicken always nice, but I don't know. And the thing is, I always change up my season. The only thing as I say, I put on the things I know I'm gonna make the chicken black. I can just and then the next thing what I do is soak my chicken in a salt water. So before I cook it.
Yeah, you know that's how you can do it.
Right, I soak my season in a salt water. Right, with lime and vinegar. So I let it sit there for a couple minutes. It tenderizes the chicken.
It brines it. It's a brine.
Yeah, it's a brine, but it tenderizes the chicken and add flavor.
Yeah.
So you don't make it too salt?
No. And when I say salt water, I don't mean if you dash your bowl like salt in the water neither.
But don't put enough to where you taste it, you don't taste so hot. It's just enough to where it just sit there.
I'm gonna do that with all of my meat them. All of them. Before I cook it, I soak it in some salt water.
And that makes a difference because when you're cooking and you adding salt to stuff while it's cooking, it's not really good.
Yes, Sandy.
But if you brine it,
if you don't notice too, I don't use salt in my food. When I'm cooking, I don't use salt.
I don't either. I don't. Unless it's rice.
But just work with this, yeah, like rice, but.
Salt and rice. If you put butter in your rice, you put butter in your rice and then it's salt.
No, I'm not talking even the rice. That's how we make meat.
Some people put
the red chicken that she's
they have
talking
salted and unsalted butter.
by the bar.
yes, yeah,
Oh, Barbie fried. I don't know if I that shut up. A Barbie fried chicken you talk sauce, Sandra?
Huh?
The red chicken that you're talking, does it have a sauce on it?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Somebody that wonder if a Barbie
No,
fresh.
no. It doesn't have a sauce.
Okay.
It's like regular fried chicken. But you know what? My other phone messed up when I went to Mexico, so I can't really even show you. But I will be able to. Jesus, please. Every time I think about that Mexico trip and I think about my phone.
Tina, she said a regular fried chicken, so I can't eat she attack.
Yeah, I think so, but it's how you prepare it.
Cause it crispy or it kind of wetish.
It's crispy, but it ain't got no barbecue taste.
Okay.
It tastes like normal. It tastes like fried chicken with hot sauce on it.
No, but maybe them put something on it for red. So that's why she said she gonna take a picture and show me, or she probably gonna ask. I don't know if you gonna tell her them business neither.
too, so I'm not scared to call him and be like, "What you put on that chicken?" Shit don't bother me, but not like that. But I'm not scared to call the guy and be like, "What did you put on that chicken?"
Skeeter, what going, baby? Oh yeah, you can ask him. Maybe put beets. You know, as I talk about that, you know, I'm gonna try that. May I juice some beets and season my chicken with it. And see the color make it. Cause one thing with beetroot, you know. One thing with beetroot, you know, it's ready, you know. I don't remember if you try this.
One time I make lemon honey fried chicken, lime juice and honey and fried chicken.
Yeah, man. I know.
It's experiment still.
I saw my time too, cause this just come to me and I think I'm gonna try that.
You was smoking.
I mean, I'm going some herb.
Nah,
I said, I'm going to split that. It just come to me and I'm going to do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try that chicken there. You know, I'm gonna do it with some chicken wing.
Lemon fried chicken, man. What, yo?
no, but lemon pepper fried.
What is a style, no?
Yeah, sometimes I have to try. The thing with me, sometimes I'm tired of the same set of food, so I'll try stuff.
Yeah,
But,
for real, man. Yeah,
right.
Try something for real.
No, let me tell you, Teresa, and I know what my son learned from his Korean, I don't know where they from, Korean Asian friends, because they have a big wing spot here where we live at. And my son used to work for them, and now he's like really friends with them afterwards that he worked there. So he know how to make different type of stuff. So he went in there mixing Worcestershire sauce and the soy sauce and all kind of girl, he put that on that red. That fried.
yeah, me like soy sauce. Me love soy sauce, you know. Me can't just me can't just steam some rice and take like one of them soy sauce thing there and just drench my rice and eat it, and I like the taste. Yeah, I like it. You see, alright, so for instance, even if you fry some chicken breast or sear some chicken breast or whatever, you can just pour the soy sauce with maybe like an onion, stir it up, and you get a nice flavor.
You better stop.
Simple and quick. Yeah.
That is so much sodium.
Yeah, but it's nice.
Like salt.
So you see, that's why at certain time I don't really post certain things. Got a lot of foolishness but doing it, but sometimes I don't really post it because I can't take chatting. Sometimes I just like and be like and just do what me like and just don't care. But yeah, soy sauce nice.
But just post it like just for fun. Like just post it as in just for fun, not as in your content.
Okay.
Like in your story. Yeah, not
even when I make the chicken breast and rice, I was wondering if I should post it. Somebody said post it, so I just post it. So sometimes yeah. But sometimes some simple little dish, cause even when we do that dish then me never in the mood to do nothing quick hard. So I just chop.
She the one full straight, trust me.
Huh?
She said, Sexy Tina said, you're the one with
less sodium.
You're not eating less sodium. You're eating the one with the full strength.
Yeah, I the regular one me use real. But me know the one with less sodium for real.
How you got me caught up over here? I know I'm your little mom, but Jesus, please.
You're good, man, because when you're gone, I'm gone too, because I just choose me to come up here for me.
My heart me and just check on you, and I done got stuck over here. I'm supposed to be live.
Girl.
Jesus Christ.
We don't love live stuff. We don't need to tell about how to get money off a live. Soul snatcher. You need to tell me. Oh. Yeah, hear me, girl. Time to join this team.
My friend there.
Okay.
Don't come with that. No, sir.
Jesus. Huh?
That's what it is saying. I'm trying to keep it safe.
I'm gonna let the food in, sir.
Jesus, please.
Yes, Miss Soul Snatcher, listen to me now. You don't need to teach me how to make money on live because I can't keep doing this for free.
You know me not gonna let you behind. I'm always gonna carry you with you. Carry you with me. Everything I do, you gonna do too.
Because baby, every day I'm over here and I don't know if I might following them. Sorry guys, I'm not bashing them, but I'm telling you the truth.
No.
Don't care where I teach them, they're their business.
No, it's time to make money. Just like I told you, I'm gonna tag you in that lady's live early in the morning so you're knowledgeable of yourself, how to start generating your stuff.
Me say they don't care where you teach them. Me say one day I do live, a couple of times I do live and I tell you. Me say live now work for me. Me can't do it because I don't expect people to just come from my life and sit down. You have to beg them for tap, you have to beg them for engage, and I'm like, this don't make no sense.
Listen, my biggest live, I think I had 131 taps in less than 4 hours.
I've never had that. Never.
I don't play with nobody. I don't have to say it though because they know it's support. I support so many people though.
It's crazy.
So when they come to my live, they don't mind sitting down and supporting.
I don't know what's wrong with me. No, sometimes I like say Jamaican people like them things say I can get rich. I don't know what it is, but the support.
Somebody, like, I got my second subscriber, like, and what the fuck do I do on my TikTok for play music? I got my second subscriber.
I don't even have one subscriber.
Yeah, and like, what's going on with that? Y'all are here, you're like.
Ushata, what you making?
I'm not appeased with that. We're gonna work on that. That's our goal.
What do you mean, no? Kels?
We're gonna have 5.
I just made some juice. Melon, beetroot, ginger, and lemon. If that's what you're asking. Yeah, but yes, so Snapchat them. You see, even in your comment section, is like.
This is one of my people right here. Kels is one of my people.
Okay. Them they will support. Them they will support you if you say comment by your picture. I don't know if it's a Jamaican thing. I don't know if what. I don't know if them things that them are gonna do. I don't know.
See people win because there's no way it was 200 people in here and nobody was tapping.
Right. That's how I feel too. I feel that some people just they are with you to see if you're gonna make it or you're gonna fail. Mama tell them all the time, so I'm not gonna fail because I'm determined.
But guess what?
But they don't support. They don't comment. They don't like. They just see it sitting and them scroll past. And I'm like, these people are some motherfuckers. And I know they watch it because the amount of view me get. Me know them watch it. And I'm like,
you just say to them, their friend, and their friend's friend, and their other friend, and call your auntie and tell your grandma to tell her too that we are going to make it. We are going to prevail by any means necessary. Have it be on another platform with other people that are supporting. And not the Jamaica platform, but like Jamaica needs to support Jamaica. Like if y'all don't support us,
then different, man. Then different.
One of y'all people, like that's weird. Don't worry about what she did. Don't just worry about what she doing.
Them weird, man.
Don't worry about it. Don't. Oh. Guess what?
I say it all the time. I'm watching. I said, them people are sick. More sickness cause me can't go on somebody's page go watch them entire content and just scroll like how that possible? You sit down and watch somebody comment.
Don't worry.
Exactly, you just block one of your real friends for looking and yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, sometimes even my own sister them have to say, lad, you can't support the life, even my own. It's weird. It's weird. But then again, what you gonna do? You can't force them. But me nah block them. Them stay because them are sister me gonna make it. Me never feel. Me just wish them never put me in a Jamaican. Them never put me in a box with Jamaican alone. Me coming on a time for them. Them brother come for your PR. Remember tell you why I know say Jamaican people evil. You see, if you post something and you see one people jump on and say something negative, you see the whole of them jump down in the comment negative, and the whole of them, and you get that content, I will go furthest than any other content with positive. Oh, that. It's fun. I find that strange. Then the uplift, alright, say something happen and it negative. Then they say, alright, make them come and say something nice or try to cheer up them and everybody in the comment and near me up and I'm like, look on them. So sometimes that's why I just post and say anything, make them go and go name up themselves.
What we in 2025? And this is my number anyway. 5 is always been my number. So by 2026, we all gonna ball out. Just wait.
For the better,
that's a couple months away. We just gotta put in the work every single day. Don't stop going live. It's just we just gotta burn out those burners and you need to get you have a great supporting system. Just like randomly keep going live. And I control your comments for you.
I'm gonna lie, but sometimes I don't like it because me not burn up my energy. Cause one thing with life, the man, it take your energy. I don't know what if on life will take your energy. So what drain your energy, sir?
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Sometimes in life, I just feel weird.
Feed them out. But they say, oh, where's my phone at? Where's my phone at? Because we're gonna weed them out one by one. We're gonna see who are who. I'm supporting you, but I need to support my damn self too. Going live, but I'm gonna help you first because
you're not gonna live. You don't go live?
No, Teresa.
Huh?
I'm always gonna support you.
No, I'm asking you don't go live again? You know, so one time you used to go live, right?
Yeah, I'm going live when we finish.
Okay. Whenever you can do what you want to do, because I'm going to clean up this. I mean, you know something I eat for morning? I just drink the juice just now, but apart from that, I haven't eaten.
I haven't had no apple. Well, when I'm working, I don't like to really eat because that slows you down.
The thing is,
I may drink water all day. I'm sick. I'm gonna miss you too, because that was like a child that I've never adopted that just always is there. Like, girl, bye.
Oh.
Girl, Kels is a great supporter.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna leave you know. So, Snatcher. Oh, Tina, big up yourself. Thanks for stopping the live. Corey, big up yourself. Thanks for joining us. Guys, remember, if it's your first time, welcome to the live. You follow me? I think we have to follow each other before we can.
Yeah, I'm follow you on.
Okay. Alright, what we see now in the send list. Alright, blessings.
Why can't I find the song, Teresa?
Which song? What? This girl, let's see, man. Oh, this I got to you'll disconnect all guests now if you. No, I forgot. Cancel. Tamisa.
Oh, you want to disconnect Corey?
No. Somebody that sent me Tammy said that sent me something, but if it's safe, I accept it, it's gonna disconnect you guys. I don't know if disconnect Corey, man. If you know if take him though. Tammy said, hold on. I go and I go. Cause look all I'm tell you to send if you come on the live with me. I come know where we go with soon.
I feel like it's a debacle.
I forgot to have the YouTube live. Jesus. Boy. Want to see over here? I didn't see that one enough to see. Boy. I can't believe this. I'm well bent over. So when we run there, I go tell my ass. Jesus Christ. You see how life go? a joke. Thanks, girl. Every time you pull out a city, I make you put it up. Oh, you do want this one?